GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about pound against dollar. Before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram, so you can join my Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. Sign up with these brokers, open a separate account starting with demo. I want you to trade with my signals in a separate broker account because I will need the data. How much did you win? How much did you lose using my signals? Am I clear? I hope so. Subscribe, like, all of this is for you. Coming back to the chart here, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame, coming back to weekly, we did not make a new high. So this high was not broken this week, and even let me check this red candle 35262, 35257. So even this blue candle did not eat the red candle. Okay, so more likely we are going down. Now coming back to Delhi, in Delhi we did make a new high. So yes, this blue candle broke the previous high. But at the same time on Friday we have a long red candle which has eaten this previous blue candle and almost eaten this red candle. But still, the trend is up in Delhi. As you can see, the candles are far away from the EMA at the top. So what shall be our entry? Our entry should be long, I guess, but we're expecting Euro and GBP both to go down in any coming maybe 10 days, 1 week. With the time will tell. Okay, so our entry should be in 4 hours somewhere here. So if I come below, you can see the EMA we have touched down the EMA, but as I zoom in, this candle did not close below the EMA. We have a rejection. Okay, you can see the long wick, and then there is a gap between the EMA and the candle, which means the candle did not close below the EMA. It closed right at the EMA, and then we have a blue candle, and then more likely we could go up or we could go down. Okay, so we have to wait for this low to break. So if I use my line right here, there you go. If in the coming days or hours on Monday, let's say, if we see another red candle closing below this red candle, that will be the continuation of the downtrend after the pullback. Okay, but if there will be blue candle which will eat this red candle, then you can enter long and take your profit somewhere here. Do you understand? I hope so. Okay, so I'm getting you ready for two situations. Either we are going to start a new downtrend, in which case pullback will happen. Okay, so either the pullback will happen, you can take a counter trade, enter long after next blue candle eats this red candle, enter long, and then you can take exit out somewhere here, and then it will continue going down, or it might create a new high. Who cares? Okay, but when should you go short? You have to wait for this low to break. Okay, once this low is broken in the coming future by any red candle, somewhere here, then wait for the pullback, then red confirmation candle, and then go down. Okay, so these are recorded videos. I'm telling you what I see right now, what I have in front of me. But yes, trend is up, but everybody's just expecting Euro and GBP to go down and USD to go up. Okay, but be careful. I gave you two situations: when to go long, when to go short. So you can repeat my video to get more confirmation, understanding. Pause it, repeat it, watch it again, subscribe, like, share the video, join Telegram, join the brokers, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.